Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we start on 24-hour temperature cast. Got a lot of numbers in the low and mid 70s, right where they're supposed to be at the very end of July. I'm expecting daytime highs, middle and upper 90s. That's a bit warmer than normal, even for this point during the year. And how long we see those really high temperatures is going to have a lot to do with who's getting showers, how long we have to wait to get those showers, and if we're indeed lucky enough to get some of those showers, and not everybody will. Saw some of the activity finally get going late yesterday afternoon, not until after the temperatures in many spots got up over 100, not until those heat index values got up over 110, dangerous levels. And we're going to be in that same kind of ballpark again, I think, today. Currently, we start off at 75 at the Tallahassee Airport, 73 in Valdosta. Thomas is one of the cool spots at 70. Got dew points up over 70. Humidity values near 100%. It's icky, sticky, gross outside. Of course it is. All around the region, we'll see those numbers between 70 and 75. Blakely and Thomasville, the coolest. Tallahassee and Apalachicola and Camilla, the warmest. Now, today, a little different with that wind direction, which concerns me just a little tiny bit, because when those winds shift to the west and northwest, it makes it harder for the showers to do their thing, and that likely means fewer of us will get those showers and more of us will get those higher temperatures. I'm expecting some patchy fog out there because of some of the rains that we did have yesterday and last night. Visibility is down to about a quarter mile in Mariana, down to 3/4 of a mile in Valdosta. We'll likely find more spots, see those visibility numbers dip a little bit. Now, on the bigger picture, not a lot of new organized energy in the southeast. We'll watch and see an old boundary sort of just linger across our part of the country, and what that likely can do is maybe focus a few showers, so maybe that can counteract that northwest breeze that'll try to bring in some drier air. But I just don't love the chances for showers today, tomorrow, or Wednesday, and that likely means we're going to find lots of hot. Now, looking out across the tropics, we've got one area that sort of jumps off the page, but we'll get to that one in a minute. We see some other energy here between the east coast of the United States and Bermuda. This has got a small chance of development as it races away from the United States, so no real threat with it. This is that same energy out here in the middle of the Atlantic that we started watching last week come off the coast of Africa. It's making that curl more to the north, but it certainly does look a lot more organized and developed. So that's where the red area is, and that's the one we're going to focus on. We're up to a 70 or 80% chance of development over the next 2 to 7 days. So I think there's a real chance this continues organizing and becomes the next something. We'll certainly keep our eyes on it and keep you up to date. On the Gulf close to home, winds out of the west 5 to 12 and seas 2 feet or less. So I'm not expecting an awful lot today. Not bad for the boaters. Just hot, just humid the way it's been. On land close to home, how about 70s and muggy this morning? We'll call it partly cloudy. There'll be some of that hazy sunshine when the sun gets up at 6:55. This afternoon, I still think we're going to get to 96, 97, 98, 99. Hopefully we don't get much hotter than that, but it will be hot. It will be humid. Those heat index values are going to be up near 110. That's dangerous. That's the reason many of our counties have the heat advisory for today. So if you're going to be working or playing outdoors, especially in those afternoon hours, drink lots of cold water, find the shade, take the breaks. If you can get inside to the air conditioning to get that body temperature down, do it. You're going to need it. Listen to your body. It'll let you know when it's getting too hot. I think tonight it's mid-70s and muggy, and if any showers fire up, they'll fizzle out shortly after the sun sets. The next couple of days got lots of hot in the forecast. As we get to Thursday and Friday, I think the shower chances start to get better. The winds start to change direction, and hopefully that means we don't get as hot, but we certainly shouldn't stay as hot for as long. Of course, that's Thursday and Friday. Today's just Monday. Oh, so much hot.